To verify your Blogger site with search engines like Google or Bing, you often need to upload an HTML verification file. Here's how to do it. Download the HTML verification file. Sign into your Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools. Go to the verification section and select HTML file upload as the verification method. Download the HTML verification file provided by the platform. Access Blogger dashboard. Log into your Blogger account and open the blog you want to verify. Upload the HTML file. Go to Settings, Search Preferences in your Blogger dashboard. Under the Crawlers and Indexing section, find Google Search Console. You will not upload the file directly here. Instead, you need to place the file in your Blogger template. Edit HTML of template. Go to Theme, Edit HTML. In the HTML code editor, paste the verification file's meta tag inside the head section of the template. Save the changes. Verify in Search Console. Return to Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools and click Verify.